Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about on how to make your app look professional. So let me start with this my app. I really want to update this app right now. So what I mean is the interface. I was out to sign in, but I already have account. Let me sign in with this. Let me use Tech Expert as Tech Expert and then enter my yes. My account has been logged in. You come into this app, you'll see my profile. If I want to edit, you can see it here. How is working. You can even do your KYC verification here. Okay, and what else again? You can see your balance here. Okay, and you can also see what you purchased from this app. Okay, so initially I purchased how to use AI tools to write code for your app. Let me see what it's all about. Okay, this is what I purchased: how to use AI tools production information. This is actually how it works, how it goes. Okay, you'll see code. You can see code where you can copy the code and preview it, and even video on how to use such kind of thing. Okay, let's preview the code we copy. Here's our HTML creator for previewing of code. Let's preview the code. Okay, I will still come back here, but let me check something. Okay, preview the code, copy. This is just a sample code. Okay, all right. So this is how the code looks like. Okay, so and here's a video on how to use such code. Okay, so this is how the product looks. The products I purchased, and let me check the product. How to use AI, which is one of these 10,000. So now I want to update this app, this page, this particular page right here, to make it look like the Facebook page. What I mean is, those down button will now be at the top button. As you can see, the home, the this, that. That's how it will now be, just as the Facebook page. All right, so let's start. First of all, we need to screenshot. We need to screenshot this page here and go back to our Canva. And now let's take what we just screenshot earlier and click on add. Click on use it any design. Okay, all right, very good then. So right now, first of all, we need to tap on this element below and tap on any of these shapes. As you can see, let me choose this shape. Okay, this shape is okay for now. Shift it up. Let's cover this right here. Okay, let me check how it actually looks like this now. Okay, so this shape is actually okay now. Now let me come back to color icon creator. In this icon creator, I want to pick up a color. I can still pick up a color in that Canva, but I need there's something I really want, so I don't need rubbish. Okay, I can still pick up color here. Let me show you. Click on this and you'll see colors you can actually pick. Let me check this color. Oh, okay, this color goes well. It goes well, but let me clarify myself. I need clarity and type on it. You see, this is the original color I actually want. Okay, so what I actually need now is to add. Okay, so let's do our icon here. Okay, come back here and do some work here. Okay, this here will pick our icons. All right, and click on save. So come back to Canva again. Okay, now you click on design. Sorry, not design. I think something like gallery. We need to add the image here. Okay. Actually, as you can see, now we have added those icons we actually want to the up. We need two extra icons, which is the share and the the share, the create, and what again? Let me check the Facebook stuff. Let me check the Facebook again. Okay, we need the plus and search and what again? Okay, this place is supposed to be a notification icon. This place called profile is supposed to be a notification icon. When I have plus, share, search, and the other one. Okay, let me see something I can do here. The same method we use. Jungle. The same method we use on the other hand. Alright. Okay, now let's come to Canva, our man. Click on the query and click on what we just better. So are you seeing that the design is getting choked? Okay, this color now is different from our own color. The background color is now different from our own background. So what we need to do, we need to use a background remover, which is this, and remove the top color there. Click on upload image, browse. Kindly pick the screenshot we just group. Yes, so the background is now erased. Alright, so let's replace. Now we are not to replace, not this, we just need to replace what we just, Okay, so let's replace it. Very, very, very nice. So this profile is supposed to be a notification, not a profile. Alright, so now our design is almost done, but I will still need a notification icon. So let's go back to, just want me to crop it here and here, and come back gently, come back kindly, come back again. What we need is this icon now. Okay, so come back to our background remover as usual. Click on this plus button, and once again we entered it and erase the fork. I will do something like, let me use this element again to cover this place. Let me use the element and tap on this. Better. This young man is supposed to enter here. Well, let's write a name for notification. Click on the text and give it a name. Notification. No, notification is too much. Okay, so our mission is now successful. Alright, so we need to download what we just edit right now. We need to download what we just edit right now. So let's click on this button here to download. You will see the next what I will do. Okay, now we now have how many navigational button? We now have up and down, but we are not utilizing the downside. We need to cut off the downside. And utilize only the upside. Okay. Now we have just done this editing. You can see the editing is now done and successfully. But we need to make this now our page in our app. Here's our app. So here's our app. Look at our former editing. Look at our former page. Now we are hoping to get a page to be beautiful as this. You understand? This plus here is where users can be able to post their own product to sell. Where this search is, as it is now, users can be able to search products either they want to buy or they already buy. And this menu is where it will display page like this. Okay, and users can be able to edit their profile as well. So while this notification, of course, you know what it is, because this page now this app now does not have a notification. And we have a wallet. Of course, you have a wallet here too. Here's a wallet here. You have a wallet here, and users can be able to buy airtime too. And what again? My purchase. I'll purchase. The young man purchase maybe the product he purchased on this page here. So here is where my purchase will take him to. You can see how to utilize blah 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 to write codes. And what again? The market. Of course, this is the market. This is the marketplace. Okay, so our next video is how to give AI instruction for it to update our page to look like this. Please guys, subscribe and do well to contact if you really want to know more. I teach but everything you really needs. I teach a lot about mobile app. And the funny part is that we are using App Creator 24 for this app, as you can see, all this app you're seeing, so this is my app you're seeing, so it's all about Apple 24, and I make use of code for it. That's why you're seeing this magic. If you really want to join, feel free to contact, and of course, you pay some fee. The lowest fee is 5k. You can join our beginner class, then you can be enjoying our updates. This post now, I'm about to post now, it will get in touch with them and also with you through the beginner. So thanks for joining. Do wait to subscribe